everyone, welcome to this week's Shopee tutorial for beginners video, the best place for Shopee seller tips and tricks. If you have been following me, you know that I have been sharing a lot of Shopee tips. As for today, I will be sharing with you how to get more sales on Shopee via Shopee Event. Please stay to the end of today's sections because I will be showing you on how to set up the event properly in Shopee Marketing Centre. Also, to help you to start your e-commerce business right, I have prepared a complimentary e-commerce business plan for you. In this total 35 pages guide, I'll show you how you could start your e-commerce business in just 10 simple steps. So please make sure you grab this guide in the comment sections before it is out of stock. If you are first time here, hi, I'm Vernette. I'm an e-commerce coach. I help corporate female who start in 9 to 5 to start e-commerce business and coach them to become the expert in the field. I release a weekly video in this channel to share tips and tricks of e-commerce business. So if you are interested to learn more about e-commerce, please subscribe and click the little bell to receive a weekly video from me. First of all, Shopee has many marketing campaigns offered to all of its sellers all the time. You as a seller must evaluate carefully each of the campaigns before you join, because not all the campaigns might be suitable for your business conditions. With that being said, let's get started. So when you arrive at Marketing Centre, you can see that on your right-hand side, okay, at the middle of the page, there's this Shopee Events. All these events are Shopee official events whereby it is open to all of its sellers, but you need to select the niche that's suitable for you. So in this case, right, they are currently offering health niche, electronic niche, beauty niche. If your niche is fall under all this niche, then the events are suitable for you. Otherwise, you can take part of those Shopee events that are available for all industry, for all niches. For example, 25th March Super Shop Day. This event is suitable for all kinds of niches and all shops. In this case, I will show you how to set up an event if you want to take part in one of them. When you click on the event that you want to take part, it will show you all the details available, like nominations period and the campaign period. And there are some of the campaign details that you need to take note before you participate in the event itself. So in this case, for the 25th of March Super Shop Sales, there is 2 sections available. Before you grab the sections, of course, you need to calculate whether the profit margin that you currently have can cushion all this discount, because all this are your costs. All right, $5 off. Who bearing the $5 discount? Is you as a seller. So take an example, I take part of this $5 off, and after I read all the conditions, I decide to take part, then I can nominate the voucher. Create new campaign voucher. So when you come to this page, right, this is the page where you need to create the voucher detail. So let's go into it. There are 2 types of voucher. It can be a shop voucher or product voucher. In this case, it is grade off for both. So it is decided by Shopee. You just need to create the voucher name and the usage period. So when you come to reward setting, right, there are 2 types of reward setting, but because the type that I choose is for the $5 discount, so by default, the Shopee system already at the back end set for me discount type and the amount, right? And then because one of the conditions is saying that no minimum purchase amount, meaning if the person who spent $6 in my shop, he is entitled the $5 discount, all right? And the voucher usage quantity is 200 to 5,000 usage. So here we need to follow the conditions. Come to the last part of the setting. The voucher display setting is available for all pages that include in your shop homepage, include in your product page, and even at the shopping cart page. It's at everywhere, all right? So that it allows the user to claim the discount and use it during the purchase. So when you click nominate, right, it says that voucher nominate successfully, and when you come back to this page, you can see that it is under review. All of the Shopee official event will be reviewed by Shopee before it gives you a green light to go ahead. So once in a while, before the campaign start, you may come back here to check the status, whether it's under review, rejected, or approved. Okay? So I hope today's video useful to you and you can start participate in any of the Shopee events. But before you participate, don't forget to calculate your profit margin to make sure you have some margin to cushion for the discounts. All right.